Hey guys, what's up? Welcome back. It's me, Techie Shadow, back with another coding tutorial. So this video is going to be very short but very helpful for all the people who are looking to create a website in HTML or CSS. Now the thing is that in C# we learned how to add comments, which is just by doing a // But it's not the same way in HTML. So let me show you how to do that in HTML and CSS. Alright, so we have just a little bit of HTML here. Now, if you're wondering how to add comments, because if you have a really big project and then if you're going back to it and you are like, oh my god, what is this? I can't understand anything. Then for your future self, you can do a less than mark, exclamation mark, // So now that autofills with // and then greater than mark. So we can type a comment. This is a comment. Now this is going to be really helpful with big scale projects. Alright, so we can add comments whenever and wherever. So also, one mistake that sometimes people do is just leave their comment empty. Not everyone has autofill, so sometimes people just do this and then run and they're like, why is it not working? Well, because as you can see, all this turned green, which means it's a part of the comment, and then HTML won't work. Because first of all, your tags are a part of a comment, and your body and HTML tag will also not work. So your code won't function the same way it did. Alright, so now in style.css, basically your CSS file, I have currently got nothing here, but when you start filling up the CSS mark sheet, we can start adding comments by doing a slash and then a multiplication. So and then another multiplication mark and a slash. Over here between, we can type our comment. This is a CSS comment. Alright, so yeah, this is a comment meant for CSS, and I find it really helpful to add comments to my code so that when I refer back to it, I can understand what's going on and what I did yesterday. You know, not being like, hey, what is this? What did I type in my code? So yeah, that's it for right. Oh wait. So yeah, that's it for right now, and I'll be posting more HTML and CSS videos later on. And also, sorry for not posting for a long time. I had exams coming, so yeah. Hope you enjoyed and found it useful. If you found it useful, you can share it to your friend, relative, or whoever you know. Oh yeah, okay, so guys, chill out and don't forget to wash your hands. Bye!